Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set a 16 by 9 resolution in your PowerPoint presentation, ensuring your slides are ready for any widescreen display. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Locate the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or Start menu and open the application. Then, open the presentation you're working on by clicking File, selecting Open, and navigating to your presentation's location. Next, go to the Design tab at the top of the screen. This tab gives you control over how your presentation looks and feels, from themes to slide sizes. Within the Design tab, look for the Slide Size button. Click it to open a menu where you can adjust the proportions of your slides. From the drop-down menu, select Widescreen 16 by 9. This will adjust your slides to perfectly fit modern displays, like most televisions and projectors. When prompted, choose whether to scale your content up or down based on how packed your slides are. Scaling down can prevent cut-off content, while scaling up works well for spacious slides. And that's it. Your PowerPoint presentation is now set to 16 by 9 resolution. Take a moment to review your slides and make any necessary adjustments to text or images. With this setting, your presentation will look professional and visually optimized for widescreen displays. Thanks for following along and happy presenting.